Okay, we're back with another food making tutorial. This is wonton. There you go. Normally these come in like soups or you can fry them. Here's the ingredients. You can use all types of meat, but here is topside steak or minced beef. You can use chicken or pork or whatever you have on hand. But back to this crafted wonton. So we'll come back a bit later with one being made. So here we are.
We're gonna show you how to make. So this is water.
So that's water, as you said.
Yeah, it's water. Like this. Well,
I'm no professional cameraman, but we'll see this being made again. Okay, there we go.
sorry, I make a wrong side, babe.
That's okay. Take your time.
No.
There we go. See
Pencil
another one being done. No, it's good. People like this. Like, they don't expect perfection each time. It's all part of the journey. So we'll start again. I was told to delete that, and I said no. People need to see that errors do happen in life. Like, no one is perfect, but a higher power.
I try.
Yeah. Practice makes perfect. You probably haven't done this for quite some time.
I never done before.
Oh, you've never done this before.
No.
Oh, so this is the first time. So third time.
Shit.
So that's 1, 2, and this is the third.
No. Honey, I don't make this one. Don't make this one.
No, no, I'm going to keep rolling.
No, I don't want to do that.
No, keep going.
Okay, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, very nice.
Usually it's not do like this, but...
Yeah, but hey, practice makes perfect. So that's the third one.
If you put that one, I kill you.
No.
In the phone, I kill you.
Yeah, I'm going to leave this. So this is Chinese style. Chinese.
No, babe, I don't want
Okay.
I'll make another one. Different one.
So this is a different one, is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good to supply laughter for people, you know, because if you can't laugh at yourself, something's wrong. Okay, here we go. This is a special one. This looks like a stormtrooper hat from Star Wars. Even though I'm no Star Wars fan, but there we go. Darth Vader hat. Or it could be a cool hat for a gangster. Or here on Gilligan's Island.
Okay.
So about 3.5 minutes in, so we've seen a few being made. So here we go. Oh, this one looks fancy. So yes, the water is very important. What about corn flour? Would you add some corn flour to make it stick a bit more?
You don't have to. You can put. You can add an egg. Also make it soft.
Egg white or egg yolk?
A whole egg. We don't waste food.
Okay. Because sometimes you can put the yolk separate and use it for something else.
The whole one I put.
Whole one, okay.
Yeah, but I don't put in this time.
But you didn't want to waste an egg.
Yeah.
Smart little lady. Very good. I'm very impressed with that, and I hope the viewer is as well. Hit the likes, subscribe, unsubscribe, hit the thumbs down if you're that way inclined. But if you've enjoyed, certainly hit the likes, and we'll see you.
That's true.
Oh, we got more being made, but
25.
25 you're gonna make. Okay. Well, we'll come back a bit later, I guess, and we'll add a clip of the more being made and see how perfection has rolled on. But I think the first one is absolutely perfect, and I like them all. But I'm a bit biased. But there's the Stormtrooper if you're a Star Wars fan.
You don't like them?
I like them. I said they're very good, okay, and I think they're good. Yeah, well, you've heard that, everybody. If I do disappear, but that's not the first time that I have received threats. But no, this was just a joke. Oh, look at that one. Perfection on the end. All right, we'll see you on the next one. But I will add some photos.
Oh, hopefully. You also can do like this. Easy.
Oh, okay,
Easy
so
one.
We'll do one more, okay.
Okay, easy one.
But wait, there's still one more.
You can do everything you like. You can do like this.
You could do like a dim sim, I guess, eh?
No, different things.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you like.
Yeah,
you can just do like this. You can.
Okay. You could just roll it up into a... Oh, that one's very, very fancy. It looks like a witch's hat. And how it looked like something else. But very good. I get the point of view. Alright, we'll wrap that up now. Thank you, and I hope that we've supplied some entertainment and comedy value. Well done. We'll see you on the next cooking or exciting adventure. Uru for now. Well, apparently I've been laughing at my wife, but I did say to her, I've never done this before, but
too much. Too much.
There we go. I'm not Chinese. I'm Australian.
You're
Kiwi.
Laughing.
I'm not laughing. I was being quite sweet. Okay, okay. I'll listen. Happy wife, happy life. I probably should do this on the other way, but what do I know? I'm just an Aussie. But I will add water to both sides. I know.
Too much.
I know, but now I've got an idea. I might do it like this. Alright. But this is the first time. It's not as fancy as yours. Alright, so let's see if watching Gordon Ramsay has done anything for me. I think that's quite good, and I think the viewer would like that. You know, like I'm no professional, you know, I'm no master chef except for
look at this
spaghetti bolognese and a few other bits and pieces. Yeah, well, look, you are Chinese, I'm an Australian, okay?
No.
Look, what do you expect? Okay? I think this is a good job, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have some wonton. I've already tried some there. Spectacular Chinese food here. Got some fried rice, Chinese style. And here's some wonton soup as well. So certainly well looked after by my Chinese wife. A very lucky and blessed man. So I'm going to go enjoy this fried rice and my wonton and the wonton soup as well. Very good, thank you.